Hi everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and I am back with my retreat kit from the Not Too Shabby shop. So this is going to be a retreat done on Jamie's channel, which is the Not Too Shabby shop on YouTube. So at Not Too Shabby shop, and it'll be run for 2 days. There are going to be, I don't know, 8 classes it looks like, 4 on each day. And there is a retreat kit for it, which is I'm going to share with you guys. I did also have, I purchased this cherry sweets with a bunch of other stuff, and this came in my package. So I love cherries. So I just got that as well. And, you know, I got another free gift. I got enamel dots. And then the other free gift that I got, I think for my retreat kit, is some washi tape. So the retreat kit is $65-ish, I think. If you pre-ordered, you got a paper pad for free. I don't know if they're still doing that or not. But you can go ahead and check the channel. I'll try to put a link in the description. So if it's available, that way you can go and take a look. And so it comes with everything that you're going to need to participate in the retreat. But because this is basically a free retreat on her channel, you can use whatever you've got. So I think it's a great way of using up things that you already have. And, you know, there's no real need to buy anything unless you love what you see here or you really want to have the same stuff so you can make, you know, everything that is done. Okay, so first we have a stencil. It's called Perfectly Plaid. It's going to have a plaid stencil. So super fun. And then we've got this 6x6 stamp set. And it's got all of these fall icons. I think these are just really fun for fall. Cards, thank you cards, Thanksgiving, fall birthdays, all those things. And then the dies. So the ephemera, I really am liking the ephemera. It is a very nice mix of items in here. So we've got sort of the girls that we always seem to have, and they're in fall attire. And then we've got owls and birds and cups and tags, some sentiments, and it's just it's a door. It's really cool. Just a fun mix of ephemera to play with. And then the 2 paper pads, we have the Fall Life paper pad, and it's done, it's sort of in the old style. She now does her paper a little bit differently. It's loose and it's in a cellophane bag. So this is the old style, which is totally fine. You see this one is in that cellophane bag. I do prefer the new style that she's doing. I think it's a little easier to manage. But it's got all kinds of florals and birds and just all different things for fall. And then the free gift was the Fall Life plaids. So it's these plaids that coordinate, you know, really well with the Fall Life paper. And then we also get a sentiment die, which is called Enjoy the Life. So it's the words, and I think they're together, which is really important to not having to piece it together. And then there is a shadow piece. So you can use it with the shadow piece or without. Just depends on what you're going for. But I like that because it's just kind of a general sentiment that can go in lots of different things. So other things, if you are into retreats, I do have a retreat and workshop playlist on my channel, or in my channel or whatever, but I've got that. And so I do unboxings, and I have all of the, you know, projects that I make when I do these retreats. And I've done a lot over the years, but I've kind of narrowed it down mostly to ones I know that I really like, or brand new ones that I want to try. So I've got Paintbrush Studio, the current one, which is for summer-ish. That one, I'm doing an unboxing for today, so I don't know if it's when it's going to show up before or after this video. Just depends. And then, you know, I will later, when we do the projects, I'll do a video on the projects, and I'll pop that into my playlist. And then the stamp market, I believe, is also in September, and I haven't got my box for that, but I will do an unboxing for that. And then, of course, the projects as well. And sometimes I'm late on doing my projects because, you know, life. And then I already signed up for the Pink Brush Studio holiday event, which I believe is in October or November, I think. And I also did the ad on foil and better press, and the foiling better press kits are actually sold out. People didn't realize how popular they were going to be, but I absolutely freaking loved it. And because of that class, I actually have been foiling more. I don't know what else is upcoming. I know Concord and Ninth, but they're doing their holiday event like in February, I think, or January. So it's not an upcoming event. I no longer do the crop and create because I don't think it's a very good value, at least for me. Anyway, thank you so much. Oh, I'm doing Sam Joy. I don't know what that is, but I'm doing Sam Joy. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. This is Cindy praying for hearts.